Myself is Ramesh Patra. I am working as DGM sales in FOM Industry. I am working last 16 years with this company, and we participated in ZAK almost every year, alternatively Delhi and Mumbai, and this is how the crowd puller in our segment, and quite successful.
That's right. Now, sir, please tell us the foam booth about the foam booth design, as you have kept it simple and we can say eye-catching. So, tell us the themes and the innovations behind this design.
See, the stall design, we keep it simple. Main focus is on displaying the machines and so that we can interact with the customer and our other industry colleagues, and so that they can understand what technology you are offering and what solutions are there in place.
That's right. Now, talking about the core strength. So, what core strength? Precision engineering capabilities and quality standard. Foam as a leader in aluminum and PVC working machinery.
FOM industry is known for its quality and accuracy, and repeated accuracy will be there. Like for longer run, the machine will perform same 10 years, 12 years. Customer will have the same feel, same precision, same performance. That is the beauty of FOM machines.
Right.
It's quite easy to operate and technologically advanced and quite superior. Background between failure is very less. So
Right.
customer will have a.
So now, if you talk about this machine particularly, what is the USP of this machine?
This CNC cutting machine. The advantage with this machine is this is like works on encoding system. Encoding is like the mobile head moves as per the we do program. We send the program to the servo motor. Servo motor has a disc on the behind which works as an encoder. So this control gives a proper signal to the encoder. Accordingly, the mobile head moves the machine. So it gives a proper accuracy in the lane to cut. So the accuracy what we get is repeated accuracy will be always like same.
Okay. So now talking about the grand scale of this expo. So what new machines, automation system, or products enhancing technologies foam presenting this year apart from the machines that we have already seen?
Okay, like we have top-notch machines, like we have a fully automated cutting and processing line where customer can do it in a day. They can produce 150 windows or 85 facade panels in 8 hours, 10 hours shift, which is like completely automated solution. Like we will, there's a 7-meter loading area, multiple profile can be loaded in a 4-meter wide area, and then machine will go in a machining area where 12 spindle will be there to do the machining. After that, it will go to the cutting station where there is a blade of 650 mm. It can tilt both sides, and after cutting, the profile will go into the unloading area. Air blowing will be there inside the tube, and profile will come out to the unloading area, and there will be a barcoding station. The helper can remove the barcode and they can paste on the profile. So that way it's very productive and accurate output will be there.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
Now coming to the last question, how is foam contributing to making India and supporting India's broader vision of Viksit Bharat Mission 2047 through advanced manufacturing solutions and industry developments?
Our aim is to provide good technological machines, precision machines to Indian customers, so that the output what they manufacture comes in a good quality. And the important part is we are trying to keep our price very competitive, so that customer can afford it, and we can support them more and more, so that more and more customers can buy across India.